How to tear down the Batwing awning. First thing you'll do is remove the 4 Velcro straps along the overhang at each support pole. And of course, pull up all the stakes securing the support poles. Then fold up each support pole, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Alright, when you get to the last pole, undo the nylon strap and tether on the roof by releasing the quick clip between the AC shroud and antenna. Then reattach the nylon strap to the quick clip to keep it together. Now it's time to fold it up. Simply grab the first pole and begin walking in a circular direction toward the front of the rig. Support each section by holding it upright and adding it below your first pole. The ends of the poles are magnetic, so they'll easily click into place. When you roll the awning fabric, roll it at an angle toward the rear of the rig to help evenly disperse the fabric, making it easier to secure in the next step. There are 3 small loops to feed the Velcro straps through, and sometimes they hide behind the poles, so you may need to pull them out first. Then secure the Velcro straps. If the strap closest to the front of the rig is too tight, you might need to re-roll the fabric to ensure it is more evenly distributed. If the nylon strap is hanging down, simply secure it along the top of the awning. Once the 3 straps are secured, flip the cover back over the awning. Now just zip it shut, and when you get to the end, secure the rear Velcro flaps to keep dust and rain out. Last, don't forget to put all 10 of the stakes back in the storage bag along with the rope and hammer, which all go in the front tongue storage box.